So welcome to my AC world. I am at an undisclosed hotel and I have to get these 2 units in here. That's where the condensing unit goes and that's where the air handler goes. I am an air conditioning contractor. And yes, that is Mickey Mouse. And no, this is not normal uniform. It's just because it's an install.
Mechanics for non-mechanics.
Gotta put some might in it. You also have to be worried about that. That'll scratch your knuckles up. So, ow, like that. My gosh. Tough job. It's not for the faint of heart. Lots of sweating. If you can deal with the heat, you might be all right.
Have you ever had a cereal where you ate it one day and it was terrible, and then you tried it the next day and thought that it would be better? That's kind of what I'm eating right now. But my wife really likes it. Did you ever think to yourself, when I grow up, I'm not gonna have to worry about money because I'm gonna be in the NBA and make millions of dollars? No, just me. Clearly, I'm doing air conditioning for the love of it. I'm just in love with it. I mean, what other job can you go on where you can sweat, bleed, get poked with nails in your head, slither around on your stomach, on trusses upstairs, get insulation all over your body that itches for days? It's a no-brainer. What's up, y'all? This is day 2. Already sweating it up. Yes, I'm rocking another Disney shirt. Why am I rocking these Disney shirts? I don't know. They were hand-me-down shirts. They're my work shirts when I got a lot of stuff going on. Just happened to be Disney. Okay? So don't judge me. Matthew 7, the most overused verse in the Bible. It's about to get crazy. Alright, so we are all done soldering. So we are in what I like to call the home stretch. What you are about to witness is going to be incredible.
My song, I used to sing Karaoke. Where the whiskey flows and the beer chases my blues away.
Country song.
And now,
Okay.
Any good country song?
I'm big on graces. Think I slip on down to the oasis. So I got friends.
This is great for
No places. What was the rest of the song? I forgot the lyrics.
Well, I guess I was wrong. Well, I just don't belong. But then I've been here before. Everything's alright. I just say goodnight and I show myself to the door. I didn't mean to cause a big scene. Just give me 1 hour and then
I'll be as high as the
ivory tower you're
living in. So I got friends in low places where the whiskey drowns. This is not a Christian song. And I'll be okay. Well, I'm not big on social graces. Think I slip on down to the oasis. So I got friends in love.